English, English, English. Everybody wants to learn English. Maybe because it's an international language, or maybe it is a window on the world, or maybe it is a linking language, or in an interest to communicate well, or the necessity to get a job. Whatever might be the reason, people crave to learn. Learning English required to perform our day-to-day activities is very easy if done in a right way. So, hi guys, this is Rakshita. In today's video, we are going to know about a few sentences that are very common but are mostly used in a wrong way. So, let's get started. The first one is our intro. Yeah, we do it from our childhood but end up saying wrong many a times. So, for example, myself, I am Rakshita. This is a wrong thing. Myself, Rakshita? It's wrong. Then what is the right thing? We have to say, I am Rakshita. Or, this is Rakshita. Or the standard one, my name is. The second one, what do you say when someone asks, how would you go? We say, I go by walk, right? No, it's wrong. The correct expression is, I go on foot. Yeah, foot. Then the common thing is, what's the time in your watch? But the correct one is, what's the time by your watch? The watch does not consist time, it just shows you. She is having temperature. It's wrong. She is running temperature. She is suffering with fever? Nah, she's suffering from fever. She has two sister-in-laws. No, it is she has two sisters-in-law. I write test. The wrong one. I take test. I write exam. Wrong. I do exam. There are some words in English which we feel are correct, but sometimes we end up saying them wrong. Yes, words, yeah. There are some words in English that we use in our day-to-day life. We think they are correct, but they are not. For example, the word pickpocketer. Pickpocketer is a wrong expression. There is no word called pickpocketer. It is pickpocket. Yes, pickpocket, not pickpocketer. Once a cheater is always a cheater. No, it's not cheater. It's a cheat. Walkable distance? No, it's walking distance. Blunder mistake? No, blunder mistake is a mistake because blunder and mistake both have the same meaning. Both are nouns and they can't come side by side, right? If we want to use the word blunder in front of mistake, then we have to use blundering mistake. That's all for today, guys. See you in next video. Bye. Have a nice day.